Hello, everyone. What you're seeing in this video is our fully automatic CNC multi-tube expansion machine, a cutting-edge solution engineered specifically for the tube expansion processes of evaporators and condensers across vac, refrigeration, and heat exchanger manufacturing industries. Designed with precision and versatility at its core, this machine delivers fully automated positioning and tube expansion that adapts seamlessly to the tube pitch layout of your specific products. No manual adjustments, no human error, just consistent, high-precision performance that elevates your production standards. To maximize operational efficiency, our machine can be equipped with an integrated fully automatic tube end flaring function as an optional upgrade. This all-in-one design eliminates the need for separate flaring equipment and manual handling, drastically boosting production throughput while slashing labor costs and streamlining your workflow. Flexibility is another standout feature. A single machine can be configured with multi-diameter expansion dies to accommodate different tube sizes, all tailored to your unique production requirements. What's more, the maximum tube expansion length is fully customizable. Our engineering team has successfully delivered solutions for tube expansion lengths up to 13 meters for large-scale industrial applications. Every component is built to industrial-grade standards, ensuring long-term reliability, minimal downtime, and consistent performance even in high-volume production environments. Whether you're manufacturing small-scale condensers or large industrial evaporators, this machine is engineered to scale with your business and deliver unmatched efficiency.